Throughout history, men were revered for their strength, courage, and unwavering determination. They stood as pillars of society, embodying honor and integrity. Yet today, a subtle shift has occurred. The very habits that once defined masculinity now threaten to weaken its essence. Imagine a time when men's actions spoke of valor and their words commanded respect. Think of Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher-emperor who ruled with wisdom and humility, or Seneca, the insightful advisor known for his teachings on virtue and resilience. But amidst the complexities of modern life, something has fundamentally changed. The challenges men face today are not just external, they are deeply rooted in the habits that silently erode their strength and resilience. Today we're going to talk about 7 habits that weaken men, and every person should listen to them at least once. So, without further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Procrastination. Procrastination plagues many men, delaying tasks that require effort or discomfort, such as paying bills or pursuing new projects. For instance, putting off exercise routines or procrastinating on career advancements can hinder progress and create unnecessary stress. Over time, chronic procrastination can lead to missed opportunities and a cycle of self-doubt, impacting both personal and professional growth. Number 2. Lust and overindulgence in pleasure. Seeking instant gratification through excessive indulgence in pleasures weakens resolve and distorts priorities. For example, spending excessive time on social media or engaging in casual relationships can lead to neglecting important commitments and personal development goals. This habit not only undermines long-term happiness, but also diminishes the ability to form meaningful connections based on mutual respect and shared values. Number 3. Poor communication. Effective communication is crucial for building strong relationships and achieving personal goals. Yet, many men struggle to express their thoughts and emotions clearly, which can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and missed opportunities for connection. For instance, not articulating feelings or thoughts clearly in relationships can result in misunderstandings and emotional distance, hindering intimacy and mutual understanding. Number 4. Addiction. Addiction to substances or behaviors robs men of autonomy and mental clarity. Whether it's alcohol, drugs, gambling, or technology, these habits can spiral out of control, affecting health, relationships, and overall well-being. For example, compulsively checking social media or gaming for hours can disrupt sleep patterns and hinder productivity. Overcoming addiction requires recognizing triggers, seeking support, and developing healthier coping mechanisms to regain control and improve quality of life. Number 5. Instability in discipline. Consistency and discipline are essential for personal growth and success. Yet, many men struggle to maintain routines and stick to commitments. This lack of discipline can lead to missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. For instance, inconsistency in following through with fitness goals or career plans can hinder progress and erode self-confidence. Establishing daily habits and setting achievable goals are key steps toward building discipline and achieving long-term success in various aspects of life. Number 6. Overthinking. Constantly analyzing and overthinking situations can lead to paralysis and indecision, draining mental energy and inhibiting proactive action. For example, obsessing over minor decisions or ruminating on past mistakes can prevent men from taking necessary risks or seizing growth opportunities. Learning to manage overthinking involves mindfulness techniques, setting priorities, and practicing self-compassion to foster a balanced mindset and enhance decision-making skills. Number 7. Excessive use of modern gadgets. While technology enhances productivity and connectivity, excessive use can lead to dependency and distraction. Constantly checking smartphones, social media, or gaming can disrupt sleep patterns, reduce productivity, and hinder face-to-face interactions. For instance, spending hours scrolling through social media feeds or binge-watching shows can detract from real-life relationships and personal well-being. Setting boundaries, scheduling tech-free periods, and prioritizing meaningful offline activities can help restore balance and improve overall quality of life. Reclaiming masculinity starts with recognizing and addressing these habits. By cultivating self-awareness, practicing self-discipline, and nurturing meaningful connections, men can rediscover their strength and resilience. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress.